You are onto the service of Njenje Media TV. Welcome. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Please do remember to subscribe to the channel by clicking on the bell icon for notification. I am John Paul Ane. A full text of Nnamdi Kanu's letter to the Emperor of Japan regarding Buhari, Emperor Naruhito, His Imperial Majesty. Letter of appeal. On the letter of appeal on the false identity of the impostor President Muhammadu Buhari and notice of high-level deceit on the integrity and person of His Imperial Majesty and the esteemed nation of Japan. In the name of God, with a deep sense of reverence for the ancient throne of Christ's anthem and the culture of Japan, we the beleaguered peoples of the Republic of Biafra, currently entrapped in southern Nigeria, wish to most respectfully inform His Imperial Majesty of the high-level deceit capable of tarnishing Japanese national pride in hosting and according credibility to an impostor in the person of President Muhammadu Buhari, who is billed to undertake a state visit to Japan. While we are aware of the sanctity of sovereignty of states and the Committee of Nations as it relates matters of international diplomacy, we appeal to you as the symbol of Japan, head of renowned global power and custodian of the priceless ancient relics of Japan, to use your authority to cancel this visit by an impostor. In all honesty, sir, the man whom you will receive as Nigeria's president is a contracted body double of the late Buhari from Sudan in the person of Mr. Jubril al-Sudani, in fraudulent replacement of the late President of Nigeria, General Muhammadu Buhari, who died in King's Cross Hospital, London, in January 2017, following surgery for brain tumor and related complications. He was subsequently buried in Saudi Arabia according to Islamic rites. All these are facts the highly efficient Japanese intelligence service can easily ascertain. We represent the marginalized indigenous peoples and ethnic nationalities of Eastern Nigeria. In the face of long-standing marginalization, genocide and injustice against our people, we seek the restoration of sovereignty of our homeland, the Republic of Biafra. The purpose of this appeal is for your Imperial Majesty to protect Japanese national pride and call for this impostor of President Buhari to eschew this grand deceit and call off the visit. These affirm the misgivings on the identity of the President is heating up the polity, causing nationwide oppressive insecurity, havoc, impending catastrophe and implosion, widespread destruction of lives and property. It is also pertinent that His Imperial Majesty be informed that following the ongoing regime change in Sudan, the Islamic cabal which is treating this impropriety in Nigeria, led by Malam Abakari, Malam Maman Daura, Alhaji Isa Funtua, Alhaji Babagana Kinjigbe, and Nasiru Erufai, have concluded arrangements with the active connivance of high net worth personnel in Britain to substitute this impostor Jubril through digitized plastic surgery in fear that the new civilian regime in Sudan will not tolerate such level of impropriety with negative global consequences impacting the lives and well-being of over 150 peace-loving Sudanese. As a revered global leader of repute, we look up to you to listen to our appeal and believe in line with the universal tenets of democracy and peace, that you will uphold these truths as the need and righteousness of our request. As the leader of peace-loving people of Biafra, we remain available for further discussions and negotiations. We remain available for further discussions and engagement on this very important matter. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, servant leader, Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, copy to the Embassy of Japan in Abuja, Nigeria.